Snow and wind here in Manitowoc is making holiday travel tricky. I'm your Lakeshore neighborhood reporter, Abby Hamachek, and I spoke with travelers and the DOT to see how this weather is impacting everyone on the road. Drivers say the snow is slowing trips and making roads slick as a record number of travelers hit Wisconsin roads this Thanksgiving season. Barris Jahunsky drove from Watertown and says the conditions were worse than expected.
And then it started really coming down and being really windy on I-43. But then once I got here, it really started snowing, so the roads are super slick in town.
She shared the wind was especially challenging on the interstate.
When I was on I-43, you really feel all the wind because there's not much coverage, so it was pretty much taking my SUV kind of back and forth.
Gracie, a Beta D-decker driving to Sturgeon Bay for the holidays, says she's being extra cautious.
Great. So I've just been keeping an eye on the radar today and the weather conditions.
The DOT says that's exactly what you should do. Mark Cantola from the Wisconsin Department of Transportation reminds drivers preparation is key, and Wisconsin weather can change by the mile.
But when you get in that car, you need to eliminate all distractions, especially in adverse weather.
The first snowstorm of the season is also bringing the usual challenges for Wisconsin drivers.
This is the first real snowfall of the season, and what happens when we get the first storm is that drivers kind of got to get their winter driving legs back. It's documented the first storm usually sees more crashes.
With snow continuing to fall and holiday traffic increasing, officials say checking the conditions before heading out is the best way to avoid surprises on the road. In Manitowoc, Abby Hamachek, NBC 26.